What's up and welcome back to the channel. This is 907 Fantasy Sports and we got some good games on this weekend. Today we have a couple. They're not great games, but there's a few bets in there that I like taking. So we'll go over those today and then we'll kind of go over some for tomorrow. But if you want all the bets, you can go down to the link below. It's winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. That's where you can get all of the bets there. You can subscribe to either the free plan or any of the other ones that are there. But looking at the games here, we got the game between Tulsa and Oklahoma State. Not a great game there. And then Iowa versus Rutgers. Once again, that one should be a little bit closer versus the Iowa and Tulsa game. But I like the rushing in both of these games. Both teams are going to be rushing the ball. So I like Dominic Richardson here for Tulsa. In his last couple of games, we can see here that he's averaging 69, but you had one game that's pretty low on that. So he had a game over 140, and then a game of 93, 61. So I like his over here of 68, and we can bump that down as well. So I'm taking the over 50 rushing yards. Then I'm matching that up again with Jesusian Patterson. Iowa loves to rush the ball. So I'm taking him over 46.5 rushing yards. He's hit that in his last 4 games. And they're just going to be rushing the ball all night today for the game. So taking those two. And then over on PrizePicks, they are doing a discount for Robbie Ray on his pitching strikes. So I'm taking that over, matching that up with those two rushing. So that's the free play for today. Kind of looking at these games, it's not going to be a great game. There's more games this weekend, Saturday, between like Texas Tech and Utah. That's going to be a good game. Texas Tech, they've been honestly pretty damn good so far. So we're going to take that game. We're going to take some props in that game. And then if we come down the Oklahoma and Auburn game, that one should be a good game as well. Looking at the other ones this weekend, though, Illinois, Indiana, that one should be pretty good. But other than that, a lot of the good ranked teams are playing lower level unranked teams this weekend. So not a whole lot of great games out there. Looking forward to watching the SMU, the TCU game. Both of those teams like to hit their overs, so liking both of those. But like I said, if you guys want any of the plans, those are down on the Winible. There's a $5 Friday plan today, along with the VIP Gold, and then the full NFL college football season pass. So you can go ahead and pick those up over there. But the free pick for today, like I said, is Robbie Ray, the discounted line of over on his pitching strikes. Matching that up with the rushing yards for Dominic Richardson of Tulsa, over 50 rushing yards. And then the last part of that play is Jesusian Patterson. I think that's Jesusian, but Patterson of Iowa, running back, over 46.5 rushing yards. You can bump that down lower as well to either 29.5 or 39.5, like both of those as well. But that is the free pick for today. If you guys want any more, go ahead and hit up the Winnable. Then if you guys need any of the apps to play on, use code 907 Fantasy, and they're going to hook you up with some free money on all those. So good luck with all your bets this weekend. I'll be back tomorrow with another free pick for you. So good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.